Have you ever wondered why, despite following every diet and exercise program religiously, your menopausal body seems to be working against you? You're not alone. Millions of women over 50 wake up each morning, look in the mirror, and barely recognize the person staring back at them, watching helplessly as their once fit body betrays them during menopause. Maybe you've tried those miracle diet pills that left you jittery and anxious, expensive gym memberships that drained your wallet but not your fat, or those trendy cleanses that had you running to the bathroom more than running on the treadmill. What if I told you that the real reason you can't lose weight isn't because you're not trying hard enough? I didn't create this program because I'm an expert. I created it because science pointed to a solution that the mainstream health industry has somehow overlooked. The evidence isn't based on my authority. It's based on peer-reviewed research that's been hiding in plain sight. So let me ask you this. Wouldn't it be transformative to finally have a science-backed system that works with your menopausal body instead of against it? Can you imagine waking up with abundant energy, fitting into your favorite clothes again, and feeling completely in control of your health? That's why I've created the Menopause Mastery Intermittent Fasting Blueprint, the first hormone-optimized fasting system specifically engineered for women over 50's unique biological needs. This isn't another generic diet program. It's a scientifically backed, step-by-step system designed exclusively for women experiencing the challenges of menopause. Unlike traditional diets or one-size-fits-all fasting protocols, the Menopause Mastery Blueprint uses the hormone harmony method trademark, combining strategic fasting windows with precise nutrition timing that works with your changing body, not against it. Here's what makes this system truly revolutionary. 1. Hormone-first fasting protocol. Each fasting window is precisely calibrated to your menopausal hormone patterns. This isn't random timing. It's strategically designed to optimize your body's natural rhythm, helping you burn fat even while sleeping. 2. Energy restoration system. Our unique 3-phase energy protocol helps eliminate those devastating afternoon crashes. Women report feeling 10 years younger within just weeks, with sustained energy from morning till night. 3. Menopause-specific meal planning. Unlike generic fasting programs, our system includes detailed guidance on exactly what to eat during your eating windows to support hormone balance. You'll never feel deprived or hungry. 4. Mindset and motivation framework. We address the emotional eating triggers that spike during menopause, helping you build a peaceful relationship with food while maintaining boundaries around your fasting windows. 5. Progress tracking technology. Our proprietary tracking system helps you visualize your transformation, celebrating wins beyond just the scale, from energy levels to mood improvements to inches lost. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, slipping easily into those jeans that have been sitting in your closet. Picture yourself radiating confidence at work, no more mid-afternoon energy crashes holding you back. Envision your partner noticing how vibrant and alive you look, their eyes lighting up just like they used to. This is the transformation that awaits you with the Menopause Mastery Blueprint. Your body isn't broken. It just needs the right approach to thrive during this transition. Now, you might be wondering what kind of investment it takes to get your hands on the Menopause Mastery Intermittent Fasting Blueprint. Similar hormone optimization programs can cost upwards of $2,000. Even basic nutritionist consultations run $150 to $200 per hour. And most women spend hundreds each month on supplements that don't address the root cause. But I created this program because I believe every woman deserves to feel vibrant and confident during menopause without breaking the bank. That's why I'm not charging $2,000, not even $500. For a limited time only, you can get the complete Menopause Mastery Blueprint for just $197. That's less than the cost of a single hormone therapy consultation, less than what most women spend on ineffective supplements each month. Here's everything you'll receive. The complete 6-phase Menopause Mastery curriculum, customizable fasting schedules designed for women over 50, hormone-optimizing meal plans and recipes, progress tracking tools and worksheets, access to our private support community, daily motivation and accountability check-ins, and expert troubleshooting guides. But I need to be completely transparent with you. This special launch pricing won't last long. Once we reach 100 women, the price will increase to $397. Why? Because I'm committed to providing personalized support to every woman who joins. To maintain that level of attention, I must limit enrollment. And here's something else you should know. The next 20 women who join will also receive our specially designed 10 menopause and intermittent fasting journals, our emergency rescue protocol for tough days, a $97 value, and lifetime access to program updates, a $197 value. If you're ready to finally take control of your menopausal body and reclaim your energy, click the button below now to secure your spot. Don't wait until the price increases or all bonus spots are filled. This is your chance to transform your menopause journey, without crazy diets, expensive supplements, or one-size-fits-all programs that ignore your unique needs. And because I want to make sure you get the absolute best results with your Menopause Mastery program, I'm including these powerful bonuses when you join today. Bonus number 1, the Menopause Mood Rescue Kit, a $97 value. This collection of 5-minute guided meditations and breathing exercises is specifically designed for those moments when hormones are raging and you feel like you're losing control. Keep these audio sessions on your phone and instantly calm your body's stress response, perfect for those moments when hot flashes or anxiety strike without warning. Bonus number 2, 30-day intermittent fasting meal plan for menopausal women, also valued at $97. This isn't just another generic meal plan. It's a hormone-smart nutrition roadmap, specifically crafted for women navigating menopause. Designed to complement your fasting window, this 30-day guide takes the guesswork out of what to eat and when. Each meal is thoughtfully chosen to balance blood sugar, support hormonal shifts, and boost energy without the crash. Whether you're struggling with hot flashes, mood swings, bloating, or stubborn weight gain, this plan works with your changing body, not against it. Bonus number 3, 27. Intermittent Fasting Planner Templates, valued at $97. Stay organized, motivated, and on track with this printable and downloadable planner pack designed for your fasting journey. Includes everything from my fasting affirmations and my fasting wins to weekly and monthly planners, a hunger and craving tracker, progress pics, and more, all tailored to help you build consistency and confidence day by day. That's $311 in free bonuses yours when you join the Menopause Mastery program today. But I want to make this even easier for you. Because I know you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what if it doesn't work for me like all those other programs? I get it. You've probably tried other diets and programs that left you feeling worse than when you started. That's why I'm offering something unprecedented. Try the Menopause Mastery program for a full 60 days. Follow the program, use the materials, and if you don't experience more consistent energy throughout your day, better fitting clothes, improved mood, and fewer emotional swings, a renewed sense of confidence in your body, then simply email us and we'll refund every penny. Why am I so confident? Because I've seen this exact program transform thousands of women just like you. Women who thought their metabolism was broken forever. Women who had given up hope of ever feeling energetic again. Women who couldn't remember the last time they felt truly confident in their bodies. If they could do it, so can you. But here's something crucial you need to know. This special offer for the Menopause Mastery Blueprint isn't going to be around much longer. Not only will the price double from $197 to $397 once we reach 100 members, but our next guided fasting cycle starts in just 48 hours. Miss this window, and you'll have to wait 8 weeks for the next enrollment period. That's 8 more weeks of fighting exhaustion. 8 more weeks watching your clothes get tighter. 8 more weeks feeling invisible and out of control. Can your body and your confidence really afford 2 more months of struggle? At this crossroads, you have 3 choices. 1. Keep doing what you're doing, watching your energy plummet, your weight creep up, and your confidence fade away. We both know where this path leads. More frustration, more failed diets, and more feeling betrayed by your changing body. 2. Try piecing together random fasting advice from the internet, most of it designed for younger women or men. You'll waste precious time and energy experimenting with approaches that ignore your unique menopausal needs. 3. Or join the Menopause Mastery Blueprint today and follow our proven hormone-optimized system specifically engineered for women over 50. In just 60 days, you could be looking in the mirror at an energized, confident version of yourself. The choice is yours, but remember this: your body isn't broken. It's just asking for the right tools to thrive during this transition. And you deserve to feel vibrant, confident, and in control again. Click the button below now to secure your spot in the Menopause Mastery Blueprint for just $197, before the price doubles. Remember, this special launch pricing ends in 48 hours, or when we reach 100 members, whichever comes first. Don't let another day slip by feeling trapped in a body you don't recognize. Take control of your menopause journey today. Click the button below now. Your future self will thank you.